Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to change your voice on Messenger in 2025. So if you want to have cool tricks for Messenger, Instagram, or maybe another apps to change your voice quickly, first you just need a voice changer apps that works in real time during the calls. So you can just use apps like Magic Call, Voice Changer with Effects, or Voice Effects. You can find those apps on the Play Store. Here, for example, I'm going to use the Voice Changer. I'm going to use this keyword first. Okay, I'm going to use this one in here, Voice Changer with Effects. Click on install. So just wait until the installation process is finished. And once you've installed it, you can just open the application. I'm going to open here. Okay, so in here, you need to make sure that it has permissions to your microphone. You can go to settings and allow the applications to have access to your microphone, and after that you can just choose your voice effects. Okay, so in here there are lots of options of the voice that you can select it, like Optimus Robot or Nervous, Cyborg, Android, Drunk, or others. So you can just choose this voice effects, and after that you can open your Messenger application, and then you can start your voice call with any of your friends. So you need to keep your voice changer app running in the background, and once you start talking, your voice will automatically be modified. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials.